Estradiol Valerate. 1. Generic name, drug class, brand name, drug forms. Generic name, Estradiol Valerate. Drug class, estrogen hormone, sex hormone, hormone replacement therapy, HRT agent. Common brand names, Delestrogen, Proganova, Clymin, Cycloproganova. Drug forms, oral tablets, intramuscular injection, oil solution, combination oral preparations with progestins. Number 2. Definition: Estradiol Valerate is a long-acting synthetic ester of 17-beta-estradiol, the primary female sex hormone. After administration, it is converted into estradiol in the body and is used to replace deficient estrogen or provide estrogen therapy. Number 3. Mechanism of action: hydrolyzed into estradiol after absorption, binds to estrogen receptors, HA, activates gene transcription, promotes development and maintenance of female reproductive organs, maintains bone density, improves lipid metabolism, relieves menopausal symptoms, stabilizes vaginal and urinary epithelium, suppresses pituitary secretion of FSH and LH through negative feedback. Number 4. Pharmacokinetics. Absorption: well absorbed orally. IM injection releases drugs slowly over several weeks. Bioavailability. Oral bioavailability is reduced by first-pass metabolism. Distribution: highly protein-bound, albumin and SHBG, widely distributed throughout body tissues. Metabolism: liver metabolism, converted to estradiol and estrone. Half-life: approximately 12 to 20 hours after conversion. IM preparation provides prolonged release. Excretion: mainly urine, small amount in feces. Number 5. Uses: menopausal hormone replacement therapy, vasomotor symptoms, hot flashes, vulvovaginal atrophy, prevention of osteoporosis after menopause, primary ovarian failure, hypogonadism, delayed puberty in females, gender-affirming hormone therapy, transgender women, estrogen deficiency, certain infertility protocols. Number 6. Indications: moderate to severe menopausal symptoms, estrogen deficiency, surgical menopause, premature ovarian insufficiency, female hypogonadism, prevention of postmenopausal osteoporosis, hormone replacement after oophorectomy, gender-affirming hormone therapy. Contraindications: do not use in patients with allergy to estradiol valerate, pregnancy, breast cancer, estrogen-dependent cancers, undiagnosed vaginal bleeding, active liver disease, history of venous thromboembolism, pulmonary embolism, stroke, myocardial infarction, severe thrombophilia. Before taking this medicine, precautions: use cautiously in patients with hypertension, diabetes, migraine, asthma, epilepsy, endometriosis, fibroids, gallbladder disease, kidney disease, heart disease, obesity, smoking, high cholesterol, family history of breast cancer. Regular monitoring is recommended. Number 9. How to use: tablets. Take at the same time every day. Swallow whole with water. May be taken with or without food. Injection. Administered by deep intramuscular injection. Given by trained healthcare professionals. Rotate injection sites. Number 10. Dosing information. Menopausal symptoms: oral, 1 to 2 milligrams once daily, adjust according to response. Hypogonadism, 1 to 2 milligrams daily. Delayed puberty, low initial dose, gradually increased. Injection, 10 to 40 milligrams IM every 4 weeks, individualized according to clinical response. Number 11. Missed dose tablet. Take as soon as remembered. Skip if close to the next scheduled dose. Do not double the dose. Injection. Contact healthcare provider to reschedule promptly. Overdose. Symptoms: nausea, vomiting, breast tenderness, vaginal bleeding, dizziness, fluid retention. Management: supportive treatment, symptomatic care, no specific antidote. Number 12. Stop or avoid taking. Stop immediately and seek medical care if chest pain, shortness of breath, sudden severe headache, vision changes, leg swelling or pain, stroke symptoms, severe allergic reaction, jaundice, pregnancy. Number 13. Side effects: common: nausea, headache, breast tenderness, weight gain, bloating, leg cramps, mood changes, vaginal discharge, breakthrough bleeding, serious deep vein thrombosis, pulmonary embolism, stroke, heart attack, gallbladder disease, liver dysfunction, breast cancer risk, long-term use, endometrial cancer without progestin in women with an intact uterus, hypertension. Number 14. Vital information. Use the lowest effective dose for the shortest duration needed. Women with an intact uterus usually require a progestin to reduce the risk of endometrial hyperplasia and cancer, does not prevent cardiovascular disease, does not protect against dementia, not a contraceptive. Regular breast examinations and mammograms are recommended. Periodic blood pressure monitoring is advised. Number 15. Other drugs will affect estradiol valerate. Drugs that decrease effect: rifampicin, rifabutin, carbamazepine, phenytoin, phenobarbital, primidone, St. John's wort. Drugs that increase estradiol levels: ketoconazole, itraconazole, clarithromycin, erythromycin. Other important interactions: thyroid hormone replacement, corticosteroids, warfarin, anti-diabetic medications, cyclosporin, antiretroviral drugs. Number 16. Drug comparison feature: estradiol valerate. Estradiol, conjugated estrogens, ethinyl estradiol, S-yes rare. Type: estradiol ester, natural estrogen, mixed estrogens, synthetic estrogen. Duration: longer, shorter, moderate, long. Injection available: yes. Limited: no. No HRT: yes, 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 rare. Oral use: yes, yes, yes. Mainly contraceptives, gender-affirming therapy: common, common, rare, less preferred. Potency: moderate, 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 high. Patient teaching for estradiol valerate 1. Take estradiol valerate exactly as prescribed. Do not change the dose or stop taking it without consulting your healthcare provider. 2. Take the medicine at the same time each day to maintain consistent hormone levels. 3. If taking tablets, swallow them whole with water. They may be taken with or without food. 4. If receiving injections, keep all scheduled appointments. Do not miss or delay injection visits. 5. If you miss a tablet dose, take it as soon as you remember. Skip it if it is almost time for the next dose. Never take 2 doses at the same time. 6. Inform your healthcare provider if you become pregnant or think you may be pregnant. Estradiol valerate should not be used during pregnancy. 7. Do not smoke while taking estradiol valerate, as smoking significantly increases the risk of blood clots, stroke, and heart attack. 8. Learn the warning signs of serious blood clots and seek emergency medical care immediately if you experience chest pain, sudden shortness of breath, sudden severe headache, vision changes, weakness or numbness on one side of the body, pain, redness, or swelling in the leg. 9. Report any unusual vaginal bleeding, breast lumps, persistent breast pain, or nipple discharge promptly. 10. Perform monthly breast self-examinations and attend regular clinical breast examinations and mammography as recommended. 11. Have regular pelvic examinations and follow-up visits to monitor the safety and effectiveness of treatment. 12. Monitor your blood pressure regularly, especially if you have hypertension. 13. Maintain a healthy lifestyle by eating a balanced diet, exercising regularly, and maintaining a healthy body weight. 14. Ensure adequate intake of calcium and vitamin D to help maintain bone health. 15. Inform all healthcare providers, dentists, and pharmacists that you are taking estradiol valerate before any surgery or when starting new medications. 16. You may need to stop estradiol valerate 4 to 6 weeks before major surgery or prolonged bed rest to reduce the risk of blood clots, as advised by your healthcare provider. 17. Avoid taking herbal supplements such as St. John's wort unless approved by your healthcare provider, as they may reduce the effectiveness of the medicine. 18. Limit alcohol intake, as excessive alcohol consumption may increase certain risks associated with estrogen therapy. 19. Store the medication at room temperature, away from heat, moisture, and direct sunlight, and keep it out of the reach of children. 20. Never share your medication with others, even if they have similar symptoms. Thank you. Have a nice day.